Hello. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 ideas for creating easy and beautiful accessories. For this idea, we are going to need 5 rings, a bracelet, and a chain. We are going to attach the chain to one of the rings. This is how it should look. And we attach the other side to the bracelet like this. And we do the same with the rest of the rings.
Woo!
And done. Now we can use it. For this idea, we are going to need 2 common hoops and 1 chain. We are going to attach the chain to the nut of the hoop like this. It should look like this, and now if you want, on the other side of the chain, you can add a charm. For this idea, we are going to need a necklace and charms. We will place them on the chain, spacing them evenly apart. I used cross charms, but you can use any other kind you like. This idea is for those who have a small hole at the top of their ear. We will need a wire, and we will cut 5 centimeters. We will bend one of the sides this way. And now we are going to need a chain. We cut it in half and put both parts on the wire. And we close the wire so the chains don't come off. This is how it should look. I put one chain longer than the other. And on the other side of the chains, we are going to put an earring hook. This is how it should look. And that's it, now we can use it. For this idea, we are going to recycle a computer keyboard that no longer works. We are going to take out 2 keys like this. Now we are going to heat a needle and use it to make a small hole in the top of the key. And through that little hole we made, we are going to pass an earring hook. And done, now we can use them. For this idea, we are going to need one of these fake hoops that clip onto the ear. And we are also going to need a chain. We will attach it to the hoop in this way. Then we do the same thing again so that there are 2 chains hanging. And we are going to hook the other end of the chains to a regular hoop like this. And now you can leave it as is or you can add charms. To do this, we are going to add another chain, and from that chain, we will hook the charms. And we do the same on the other side. And now we can use it. For this idea, we will need wire, and we will cut 15 centimeters. We will cut 2 equal pieces and twist them together like this. Now we are going to cut a smaller wire about 5 centimeters and bend it over the other wire like this. And we do the same thing several times. This is how it should look. Now we are going to bend it to make it round. You can use a perfume or deodorant bottle to do this. And now the last thing we need to do is add a hook for the earrings. will need cold porcelain or polymer clay, and we are going to paint it red. Once we paint it, we will shape it into a chili pepper. Now we are going to paint the dough green and shape it into the stem of a chili pepper. And we place it on the red dough we just made. We add a hook and wait a few hours until the dough hardens. Now we are going to paint it with clear nail polish and add a hook for earrings. And done. Now we can use them. For this idea, we are going to need dice. Now we are going to heat a needle and use it to make a small hole through the die. Then we are going to pass a hook through the hole we made. And the last thing we need to do is add a hook for the earrings. For this idea, we will need a clasp. You can take the clasp from something you no longer use or that doesn't work, and we are going to remove the metal part like this. Now we will need the base of a hoop and we will glue it to the back of the clasp. And that's it. Now we can wear them. And that's all. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I would really appreciate it if you share the video with all your friends. And at the bottom of the info box, I leave you my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, where you can follow me and send me a photo if you make something from my videos. Bye.